How to bold text on LinkedIn mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your LinkedIn posts stand out by adding bold text using your mobile device. This tutorial guides you through simple steps to enhance your content's visibility and impact. So let's get started. Using bold text is a great way to highlight important points and capture your audience attention. Although LinkedIn doesn't offer a built-in bold option, there's a simple trick using typegrow.com that lets you style your text like pro. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your search engine and search for Typegrow. So simply type in Typegrow for LinkedIn. And here we have Typegrow LinkedIn text formatter, and you're gonna click on it. And here first, you're gonna paste your text. So you're going to paste your text. For example, I have pasted this text. And here at the top, you have a couple of options that you can do with the text. You can bold it, you can make it italic, and also you can underline it. So I'm going to copy this text over here. And once you have copied it, you're going to click on this B over here to make it bold. So you're going to click on B. And here you can see that the text has been made bold. And then you're going to click on italic one if you want to make it italic. So let us just copy the text again. Click on italic, and now you can see it is italic. And similarly, if you want to underline, you're going to click on underline, and now you can see it has been underlined. So let us just make it bold. And once you have added the bold formatting, so you're going to click on copy text, head over to your LinkedIn, click on post, and over here you're going to post that one. So you're going to simply paste the text that you have copied. So here you can see it is bold here right now. So why use bold formatting? Bold text helps emphasize key ideas, break up long content, make your message clearer, draw attention to important phrases. So whether you're crafting a catchy headline or making your content easier to scan, formatting can enhance readability and improve interactions on your post. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.